One fine day, Alice meets Joshua. Hey Joshua, I have an exciting news. My uncle David is coming to stay with us for 3 days. Wow, I'm happy for you, Alice. Uncle David will bring many sweets for me. Uncle David will take me for a picnic. Uncle David is the best. Why are you laughing? Alice, you have repeated the word Uncle David many times. Uncle David will bring many sweets for me. Uncle David will take me for a picnic. Uncle David is the best. Uncle David is a naming word, which means it is a noun. Instead of repeating the noun, you can use a pronoun. Thus, you can say, Uncle David will bring many sweets for me. He will take me for a picnic. He is the best. Here are some examples of pronouns. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. I, he, she, and it we use for singular nouns. They and we use for plural nouns. Now let us look at the sentence number 1. I like James. He is my best friend. Sentence number 2. Julie has a cat. She named it Kiki. These two are examples for singular nouns. Now let us look at the examples of plural nouns. Ali and Baba are friends. They are always together. My brother and I are going out. We are going to the beach. Now let us look at the pronoun you. You can be used for singular nouns and also plural nouns. Now let me explain how can we use the word you for singular noun. Look at this picture. The teacher is scolding that boy. You are very naughty today. If you look closely, there is only one boy there. Then the teacher used the word you. Now look at this picture. In this picture, you will understand on how to use the pronoun you for plural noun. This picture shows that the teacher is asking a question to all of her students. Do you all remember the story I told last week? I, he, she, it, you, they, and we are all pronouns. Thank you, Joshua. Now I understand about pronouns. You are welcome, Alice.